going to do a brief video of Tesla stock, technical analysis, and algo trading. We've got a daily chart here with a 200-day moving average in blue, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 5-day moving average in green. This is a Tesla stock, TSLA, again a 5-day chart. And in a minute we're going to show you some algorithmic entry prices that we have for both short-term trading and for trend following. If we take a look at this chart, we can see Tesla came up here, oscillated around the 200-day moving average. We have both roughly a flattish, slightly down sloping 200 and a 20-day. Both are almost flat, and we've got a steep decline on our 5-day moving average. Now, from a technical perspective, this stock's in a bear market. It's been in a bear market. It came up, oscillated around the 200, and broke down. Not a good sign for Tesla. We've got a small gap here between 262 and 258, and we're making new lows today. We'll put in a low at 233 on this stock. The stock is essentially in a trading range still, but it is in a bear market. Our low down here set on May 24th at 206 is our support, and our resistance is up here set around August 16th at about $314. That is our huge trading range, over $100, and that's just the way Tesla's making us do it. We're going to have to go back and forth and find out who's going to win. Are we going to violate to the downside and enter into a steep decline on Tesla, or are we going to come back around, test the 200-day moving average, and then see if we can't come across here and get back in bull market territory, back up here in the $360 range? That's anybody's guess at the moment, but I think we're going to catch support right down here around the $220 level, and I think we'll catch that by the second week of October. If we come down here, catch the support, and get these moving averages, the green and the red, the 5 and the 20-day under the price, we should be able to rally up here, and by the end of October have a good test of Tesla around the $280 level, good test of the 200-day moving average. So basically in the near term, looking for some continued declines down to the roughly 220 level. If we get the support I'm looking for, we should be able to rally back up here and do a test of the 200 and see what happens, see if we can break out of this bear market. Let's go down and take a look and see what we think algorithmically. RBAM Research puts these out every morning before 7 a.m. These are out for tomorrow morning, the 6th. It's not showing anything for the 1-day, 5-day, and 20-day holds. These are non-trend following algorithmically generated trades and does not have anything, any buy prices for tomorrow, which is consistent with my analysis. Let's go down here and take a look at the trend following system. This is a 30-day hold system, offers a buy, flat, or short. Today, you can see for tomorrow morning, it came out here tonight on a short at $246. So we'd have to get a rally on Tesla and then short at that. Again, all for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis, but it is indicating a short. If Tesla hits 246.67 tomorrow, this is indicating a short position is a viable way to go. If you intend to hold for 30 days, you take your profits as soon as you get them, close out worst case at a loss at the end of the 30-day hold period. That's the way these algorithms work. You take your profits as soon as you get them, take your losses at the end of the hold period just before the market closes. So that's it for tomorrow morning, 10/6/22, and hopefully we'll see what happens with Tesla. Hopefully we'll put in a bottom and rally up, but we shall see. We're prepared regardless. That's our algorithmic trading entry prices. They're all available at rbamresearch.com every morning before 7 a.m. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. You just follow the link in the description below, put in your email address at rbamresearch.com, and get access to 190 plus stocks, the main forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Keep in mind that the like button is there for you to hit if you like this video. Please subscribe if you want to do that as well. We'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. And everything you've seen and heard here is for entertainment purposes only, including our commentary and our entry prices. You can only use it for entertainment only. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.